Hi friends, I'm Satish, Java trainer. In my previous video, I explained about the collection framework. What is collection framework and what and all come under the collection framework? What are the interfaces are there? What are the classes are there in the collection framework? Okay, today in this video, I'm going to explain about the list. Okay, what are the classes come under the list? So I will explain about the array list, linked list, and vector, and where we need to use the array list, which scenario we need to use the linked list, what is the difference between array list and linked list and vector. Okay, so these are the main interview questions. Okay, so in interview in the collection framework, definitely they will ask you about have you used array list in your project, or if you are a fresher, they will ask about in your final semester project, have you learned about the collection framework? Have you used array list or vector in your final year project? These kind of questions they will ask you. So first array list, I will show the sample program. So this is the program. Okay, here you can see import java.util. This is the package. In the util package only we have the collection framework. So you can write like this java.util.star. Otherwise you can directly write like import java.util.arraylist. Import java.util.linked list. Like that you can import the package. Then write a class. Then see here, this is the array list implementation. Okay, I'm creating the array list. List A1 AL equal to new array list. Then I'm adding the objects in the array list. Finally, I'm printing that array list. Same linked list also, same steps. See, this is the creating linked list. List AL2 equal to new linked list. Add is a method. Using add method, I am adding the objects. If you want to remove, the remove method is there. Same like that. AL2 dot remove of that object. It will remove the object from the list. So add and remove are methods. So this is the linked list and this one is the array list. Method vector also the similar kind of things only. So we need to know where we will use array list and where we will use linked list. Okay, if you see linked list and array list program, both are mostly like it is similar. There is no difference. Okay, so which one I need to use, in which scenario I need to use array list, that you need to know. Okay, so array list and linked list both implement list interfaces and maintains insertion order. These both are non-synchronized classes. Array list and linked list both are non-synchronized classes, but vector is synchronized. See this point? This is the main difference between array list, linked list, and vector. Okay, vector is synchronized, but this array list and linked list are non-synchronized classes. Okay, array list internally uses a dynamic array to store the element. Dynamic array means, see, we are not specifying the array. See here, A1 equal to new array list. That's it. Okay, size of the array we are not specifying anywhere here. Okay, so dynamically it will specify the array size. Okay, so that array list internally uses a dynamic array to store the element. Linked list internally use a doubly linked list to store the element. Okay, this is the main difference. See here, the linked list internally uses a doubly linked list to store the element. And another thing is manipulation with array list is slow, but linked list manipulation with the linked list is faster compared than array list. So manipulation means the add the values, delete the values, modify the values, update the values, these kind of manipulations. So that is slow in array list, but in linked list it is very faster. So array list is better for sorting and accessing the data. See here I am adding and then I need to retrieve the values. So accessing the values and sorting. Sorting is one of the method. So sort the array list is very faster. So array list is better for sorting and accessing data, but linked list is better for manipulating the data, addition and deletion, that kind of manipulations. Linked list is better for manipulating the data. And which where you will use the vector? Vector is a synchronized. Okay, if you want to synchronize in your program, so that time you need to use the vector instead of array list and linked list. If your program is a thread safe, then you can use array list and linked list. If it is not thread safe, then you need to use the vector. So these are the difference between array list, linked list, and the vector.